One last problem. Diode D1, D2, D3. This is 3 volt, 2 volt, 1 volt, 10 ohm, 5 volt. No. Some of you ask like this. Okay, what you did, sir? Like you did like this, no? Okay, what I will write in this way. Or some students what happen? So what's wrong? Why you are looking at only this branch? Why not this branch? Okay, let's see. In that case, what will happen? 3 volt minus VF. Nothing wrong. Okay, this will be 2I dash. You call it minus of minus 3 equal to 0. So 3 minus 0 0.5 2I dash plus 3. I dash is equal to 5.5 by 2. Now who is correct? Okay, let it be. No, we'll calculate again the VA, that one. In this case, VA dash minus 2I minus of minus 3 equal to 0. So VA dash 2I will be 5.5 plus 3. Look at VA dash. VA dash is how much? 2.5 volt. Now you should answer.
Both forward bias is more favorable.
I'm not getting. The point A is the A dash only. That only, I'm just calling it as A dash in this case. So earlier it was 0.5. Okay, something we got answer, we concluded. But what about here? No, 2.5 volt is what I'm writing. So 2.5 volt means N is more
In this, we
positive
are
than P.
getting one reverse bias now, sir. In the first case, we are getting two forward bias. So first one is more favorable.
Favorable? How do you
I
can say
mean, that will
favorable?
only happen because
Anybody wants to share the idea further? No concept. We should go back to the current city concept only here. See, what is this? How these two branches are parallel, no? In a parallel circuit, what will happen is like the potential difference, which is the minimum that will be forced on the other branch. Of course, we didn't discuss such things in current city, but the concept of that one. This having 1 volt, so potential difference 0.5. Now 3.3 volt. Now if you look at this one, here what is the potential difference? We'll get it here. 1 volt and this is 2.5. So how much we are getting? This is more negative than, this is more positive than this one. Here what will happen? There's no problem. The potential difference is 0.5. 0.5 and here what you're telling, it is minus 2.5. Oh, sorry, minus 1.5. So which one has to be taken? So I think I'll put it in simple way. You have one potential difference what will be forced here? What will happen to the conditions? If they're parallel, of course, some resistor we were able to do. So here what happens, this will be forced. This value will be forced on this one. So this is what actually happens. Even in this case, we may think there's a reverse bias, there's a forward bias. Looking at this one, I just wrote loop equation. We got one value of A. If I write loop equation, we get one value of A. Then sir, which one first above the first one or second situation will occur? This is what the situation will be forced here. 0.5 volt, no, that 0.5 volt is what it will be forced because there's a zero potential, there's a equipotential point. This one, the potential difference, what is there, that will be forced across this also. Okay, this will be more troublesome. So it's nothing but the iron gate, no? Nothing wrong. It means sir, like what happens if students think first this one? That's why you should analyze for all the cases, sir. You can't just end up this or instead of this, if a student first does this. So can he write answer D1 off and D2 on? No, you should come back to this also. You have to analyze, compare. I doubt such questions can be asked or not. But anyway, this is based on logic or and on. So I'll conclude this one. This is what practically. Okay, so according to this, what is the conclusion? D1 is off, D2 is on. -0.5 volt. See, what you're telling here, minus -1.5 volt, 0.5 volt. So first the 0.5 volt, which is there, no, that will be forced here. Potential drop across, if you take this one, 0.5 volt will come. Here, if you take it, 0.5 volt will come. But here, how much we have potential difference? 2.5 volts. These two are like it is not earthed, huh? It is not earthed. So it can have only one potential, that one. In fact, what happened, the 0.5 volt, the potential difference will be forced to this. This condition is what will prevail in the circuit. That's what I mean to say. Sir, how do I come to know? That's what the comparisons is what you have to do. See, it's logical thinking better rather than fighting with any concept here. If you say this is 2.5 volt, what is the potential difference will come? What is the potential difference? Because of 0.5, it is got forward biased. Then what will happen to this one here? 2.5, this should be reverse biased. No, this condition is what will be forced by the circuit. Because this is 0.5, it will also occur here 0.5. 0.5 as this is possible, no? Okay, similarly, try this one, possibility of asking the same similar way what you have to try this one. Okay, let me go for the